Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the 5 best Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra case you can buy Amazon. Ultra case is one of the best-selling cases for Samsung Galaxy S22. It's a thin, lightweight case with a clear back panel and shock-absorbing TPU bumper. The Galaxy S22 Ultra case is designed to protect your device from everyday wear and tear with its shock-absorbing TPU bumper. The case is also transparent, so you can still show off your device's beauty while providing protection against scuffs, scratches, and bumps. It has a tempered glass screen protector that protects the screen against scratches and damages. Here are OnlyBetterOnes. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research and new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon. It inspires me to make videos like this. Number 5. Spider Case. This durable and shockproof case provides heavy-duty protection for your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. The anti-scratch, waterproof construction prevents water from entering your device and protects against drops, bumps, and shocks that can otherwise cause damage. With a built-in screen protector and raised edges to prevent scratches on the screen. Access to the charging port, headphone jack and the camera is still available in case you need it while protecting your device. Compatible with Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 6.8 2022 released, clear back design. Completely fit in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra's speaker, buttons, sensors, cameras and Number 4. SKM Case. Not sure which case is right for your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G case 6.8 inches? The answer is with the amazing SKM Case, a 2-in-1 military-grade shockproof case that supports your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G case 6.8 inches while protecting it or any other phone or accessory in your life. Case compatible with Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Protective allows charging directly on the charging device without repeatedly removing the case. Certified to military-grade drop test standards. Interior air pockets absorb shock and the curved edge of the corner reduces the impact, offers stronger protection from sudden dropping. Number 3. Simple. Want to keep your Ultra phone protected from scratches, drops, and other accidents? Then you need a case. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra case is the perfect case for your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. A slim, lightweight and durable protection that provides great grip with a smooth touch finish. 3-layer design. This Samsung S22 Ultra case is made of high-quality hard PC frame and soft silicone rubber shell which can effectively protect your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra from drop, falls and scratches. Built-in dust-proof charging port and headphone jack plug, plus shock abortion 4-corner bumper and scratch-proof silicone rubber back shell. This Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra phone case equipped with shockproof, dust-proof, drop-proof, scratch-proof. Number 2. Caseyology. Caseyology's Parallax series is a defender case that provides long-term protection for your Samsung Galaxy S22. The included material with a liquid solution will not chip or peel off. The soft TPU exterior shields against scratches and bumps, while the front lip protects the front of your device. We want you to feel safe and protected while using your phone every day. 3D Hexa Cube design offers enhanced ergonomics as well as built-in textured TPU grip on both sides. Raised bezels around screen and camera ring offers additional protection on both sides. Stylish two-tone color. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra silicone cover with strap is the latest smartphone case that provides outstanding protection and an extra edge to your phone. It is made of high-quality material and the design has been specifically thought out to make it compatible with the Samsung Galaxy S22. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra silicone cover with strap is a military-grade, shock-resistant silicone case for your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Comes with a durable strap that makes it easy to carry your device. The easy grip of your phone is made even more comfortable with the soft grip material on the silicone cover with strap. A matte finish enhances the softness and ups the style factor. On the back is a strap to keep the phone securely on your hand. It adds style to the phone as well as helping you keep a good grip.